Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and today I'll be doing my both experiment in which I'm performing inheritance. So as you can see out here, this is a question in HackerRank which I had to perform, and what I had to do was I had to make an adder class, an extended arithmetic class, and kind of that's all I had to do because the rest was performed by them. And I ran it, and yep, they got the output. My job done. Second thing was I had to perform inheritance of a bird class that extended from the animal class being its parent, and the animal class would have an attribute of walking, and my bird class would have the attribute of singing and flying attached to it. And as you can see, um, this is how it has been all called and all, and according to their norms and rules, it has been compiled and it has been a success. Now in question number 3, I'll have to be taking a public class cake, and I'll have to be performing certain operations such as like I'll have to make 2 such cakes, and what I'll have to be doing is displaying the total prices of all the types of cakes, and then displaying the total price and the quantity sold for ready-made cakes, and displaying the information for the cake that has been sold for the highest price. And so this is what has been happening. Whereas cake in ready-made cake, yeah, in ready-made cake it will be extending on the cake class, and in ready-made cake I'll be performing this such I'll be making a super constructor that will be inheriting that will be having as parameters the name and the rate of the cake, and using this what do you say, yeah, so here this dot quantity is used to initialize the quantity to this the member of the private member out here, and then have to be returning quantity through a function called get quantity, and in the function public double calc price, I'll be calculating the price through the function rate into quantity. And e1 sorry in the main.java I'll be performing the cake functions such as getting the price of the cake, getting the name of the cake, getting the quantity of the cake, and then I'll be getting the output. And yep, for the different types of cake, sorry, enter the name, we'll put any names, put a random rate, put a random weight, and enter the for the next cake, enter the rate 2, enter the weight 2 kgs, enter the name a, enter the name, enter the rate, enter the quantity 3, and enter the name a, enter the name, enter the rate 2, enter the quantity 1. Yeah, so all the different cakes are mentioned here. So the first two, they calculated the price and they have given it in cents, so it's not mentioned here. And the dollar rate is mentioned here. Okay, and the max price is 3. That is from all these 3. And moving on, I have another question that is, sorry, the train, yeah, it was a train question in which I had 2 trains, that is Chennai Express and Coimbatore Express, that would be extending from the train class, parent class out here. And let's see the inheritance happen. It will be taking in various attributes and all, which I won't be mentioning now because I have a lot of shortage of time. Sorry guys. Enter date 10 10 2 0 0 1 8. Enter the train CH. Welcome to Chennai Express. Thank you. Enter the class 1. Enter the source A. Enter the destination Z. Enter the seats. Okay. Enter the name, and this will be going on for 5 people guys, it's a long list. Enter the class, enter the source W, enter the destination Q, enter the seat, we'll put aisle seat for this one, enter the name A, enter the class, we'll put 2, enter the source E, enter the destination R, enter the seat, we'll put aisle, then name class. Oh, sorry, but this exception occurred because it was of the wrong type, and I won't be performing this again because the output will basically be all these five uh, the list of all the five guys, whatever they have chosen, like they are the ray the source, destination, and the seed they have chosen, that will be printed out in the form of a list. That's it, guys. And moving on, I think I finished all my questions. Thank you. Meet you in my next video.